What is important about events like this is getting communities to understand that yes, we are going to continue to look at how we address supply of financial services in these communities, but at the same time we want them to be more receptive to using the digital platforms as much as possible.
I thought that the turnout was excellent, and I thought that the engagement was great. There were a number of business persons in the room, and from them coming outside, talking underneath the tent, there's a lot of interest because Andros needs help. Without having a commercial bank in Andros, it's pretty clear that they need to have solutions that makes a difference, and the digital solutions offered out here at this event was great.
It is something that we need because there is a lack of commercial ATM and banking here. We see that if you want to pay utility bills or you want to send cash to family members or receive that cash, we need to have these digital platforms in order to get that money circulated.
I don't have to fly to Nassau or pay $200, $300 to go to Nassau and come back to pay my bills, that I can stay right here and pay my bills. I think that's a plus.